Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your LinkedIn education section for certifications, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the me icon at the top of the homepage. Once on your profile, scroll down to the Add Profile section button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Add Education. In the Education section, you'll see a form where you can enter your educational details. For certifications, it's a good idea to list them under this section as a formal qualification. Begin by entering the name of the certification you have obtained in the school field. In the degree field, specify the type of certification if applicable, or simply state it as certification. Fill in the field of study with the relevant subject matter related to your certification. Next, enter the time period during which you earned the certification. You can select the start and end dates from the drop-down calendars. If your certification is ongoing or if it has no specific end date, you can check the box that says, I currently attend or I still study here. This is an opportunity to showcase any skills you gained or notable projects you completed. Once you've filled out all sections, review the information for accuracy. If all looks good, click the Save button to add the certification to your profile. After saving, take a moment to review your LinkedIn profile to ensure everything appears correctly. You have now successfully configured your LinkedIn education section for certifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.